Top 5 World Largest Solar Parks. Number 1. Bhadla Solar Park in India. India's Bhadla Solar Park is the world's largest solar park as of the time. It has the capacity to generate 2,245 megawatts of electricity alone, enough to power 1.3 million homes. Number 2. Huanghe Hydropower Hainan Solar Park in China. Huanghe Hydropower's Hainan Solar Park, listed in some sources as Golmud Solar Park, is the world's second largest solar power plant with a 2,200 megawatt capacity. Number 3. Pavagada Solar Park in India. Pavagada Solar Park is the world's third largest solar park. It has the capacity to generate 2,050 megawatts electricity. Number 4. Benban Solar Park in Egypt. Egypt's Benban Solar Park is the fourth largest solar park in the world. It has the capacity to generate 1,650 megawatts of electricity. Number 5. Tengger Desert Solar Park in China. China's Tengger Desert Solar Park, also known as the Great Wall of Solar, was fifth largest solar park in the world with a 1,547 megawatt capacity. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel.